In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use grid layouts in Squarespace. We're going to focus on the section settings that control how your grid looks and feels, so you can make your content cleaner, more organized, and easier to read. If you're working with images, text blocks, or a combination of both, these layout controls can make a big difference in the final design. To get started, open the section you want to customize and click on Edit Section. This is where Squarespace gives you access to the layout settings for that specific area of the page. Once you're inside, you'll be able to fine-tune the spacing and structure of the grid without changing the content itself. Next, find the gap setting and choose the type of gap you want. This controls the spacing between the items in your grid. In other words, it affects how tightly packed or how spread out your content appears. A smaller gap can make the layout feel more compact, while a larger gap can create a more open, airy design. The right choice depends on the style you want and how much breathing room your content needs. After that, click the three dots on the gap setting. This opens additional controls, giving you more precision over the spacing. If the default options feel too limited, this is the setting that lets you get more exact. From there, adjust the slider to set the gap amount. As you move the slider, pay attention to how the grid changes visually. It's a good idea to make small adjustments and preview the spacing as you go, especially if your section contains multiple elements that need to stay balanced and easy to scan. Then move to the height setting. Here, you can choose between small, medium, and large. This affects the overall height of the grid area and can change how prominent the section feels on the page. Small works well for tighter, more compact sections, while medium and large can help create stronger visual impact or make room for larger content. Finally, select the alignment you want to use. Alignment determines how the content sits within the grid and helps create a polished, intentional layout. Choosing the right alignment can improve readability and make the whole section feel more visually consistent. Once you've gone through these settings, your grid layout should look much more refined. Take a moment to review the section as a whole and make sure the spacing, height, and alignment work well together for the design you're building.